Hi, it's Ben here from PC Pitstop, the place where we like to move fast and fix things. And today's question is, I've got a computer, desktop computer, it's starting to run slow. I go and open Google search and it takes a long time to open, or I go and open Outlook and emails just take a long time to either process or me to open emails. What could be the problem? Now, this seems to always come back to lack of transfer speed. So the thing with the computer is they have a filing cabinet in it called a hard drive. And the hard drive typically is a mechanical device, very similar to this little device here, the mechanical spinning disc like you find on an old record player. And the thing with an old record player, old tech, slow speeds. The good thing about these days has been a massive advancements in technology, especially the last couple of years, called a solid state hard drive. Solid state is like this one here. No moving parts. The good thing about having no moving parts is the computer runs a lot faster when you go and access files and folders. Typically, you find a mechanical hard drive will say run around about 50 to 100 kilometers an hour max. You find with a solid state drive, you're looking around about 500 kilometers an hour. So that's a 10 times speed increase. So when you go back to Google search or opening Outlook or having issues with just being generally slow, it's because it can't get that information out of the filing cabinet quick enough to work. There's your fix. Any questions, come and see us at PC Pitstop, or we'll see you in the next video.